Here's 6 quick tips for people buying a home. Number 1, talk to your parents. Over half of first home buyers get help from their parents, typically a gifted deposit or by them guaranteeing your loan with their property, which means you don't need a deposit at all. Number 2, inspect lots of homes. Most people don't end up buying in the suburb that they initially thought. If you look at lots of homes, including ones you don't like, it will help you to know what you want and what homes are worth. Number 3, use comparable sales. Compare the house you like to recent sales in the area. This is exactly what bank valuers do when they work out what a home is worth. Number 4, ask great questions. Why is the owner selling? Are there any properties you think I should look at? What homes will you be listing soon? Number 5, buy in an emerging suburb. It could be this infrastructure spending like a new railway line or a road, more jobs coming into an area, or a shift in demographics with young professionals with good jobs moving in. If the suburb improves, then your home goes up in value more than other areas. Number 6, apply with the right lender. It's very unlikely that of all the lenders in Australia, that the bank you are with is the best lender for you. A good mortgage broker will figure out what your needs are, who can approve your loan, and who will give you a great deal. If you'd like to learn more, you can check out our free online home buyers course.